Okay, right, ma'am. So, good morning, one and all. Today we are discussing about morphology of bacteria. So, in morphology, first identification of the bacteria. First, we study the morphology. So, what is the shape? What is the identification test of the gram staining, and what is the motility of the bacteria? First, we discuss. Then, after identify the a particular bacteria. So, in here, in this morphology, study about the shape and the size, shape, size, and the next one were divided under microscope. The shape and size discovered under microscope. So first, depends upon the shape. The bacteria is divided into several types. Depends upon the shape. The bacteria is divided into several types. One is the first one shape. The shape is how to identify the shape by the identified under microscope. So first one shape is the rod like shape. First one is a rod like shape, and second first one is a rod like shape, and the second one spherical or oval shape. Spherical or oval shape spherical or oval shape So first we discuss about the rod like shape. So rod like shape means example is the bacilli. Example is a bacilli. So what is the structure? What is the structure means? They simple look like this structure. This is a rod shape like structure bacteria. Is a rod shape like. Example is a bacilli. And spherical or oval shape form. So this example is the cocci bacteria. Cocci bacteria. So what is the spherical or oval shape means? Like this one shape. So this is a spherical or oval shape bacteria. The next one depends upon the length and width bacilli. Length and width. Length and width of bacilli. Bacillus. Length and width bacillus almost same. Almost same. So what is that? The length and width of the bacilli is the same. For this example is the coco bacilli. Example is coco bacilli. Coco bacilli. What is the structure of the coco bacilli? What is the structure of the coco bacilli? This is a structure of the coco bacilli. Coco bacilli structure. And the next one shape is the comma shaped bacteria. Comma shaped bacteria or curved shaped bacteria. Comma or curved shaped bacteria. So example is the Vibrio cholera or Vibrio. What is the structure? Comma shape structure. Is a comma shaped bacteria. And the next one, spherical forms. Spherical forms only, or spiral forms. Spiral forms. So spherical is this one is spherical or oval shape. This one is a spiral form bacteria. So spiral form bacteria is a short length, and rigid in structure. Rigid in structure. Example is a spirilla. Example is a spirilla. What is the structure? Only short length bacteria. This one is the structure of the spirilla. And the next one, branched filamentous form. Branched filamentous structure. Branched filamentous structure is the example is the actinomycetes. Actinomycetes. So what is the actinomycetes structure? Branched means, for example, this one is the one of the bacteria. It's connected to one more bacteria, and it's connected to other bacteria. It connects to one each and every bacteria having the branches. So this is the branched filamentous. And the next one is in spherical form. In spherical form, long length rigid structure. Peri spiral form, but long length rigid structure. Long length rigid structure. Example is a spirochetes. Spirochetes. Example is a spirochetes. What is the structure? Same look like as a short length structure. Same look like as a short length structure. Same this like structure, but it having the but long length compare than this spirilla. So this is about depends upon the shape. Identify the morphology of the bacteria. What's one? First one is a rod-like shape, spherical-like length and width, comma-shaped, spiral form, short length and long length, branched filaments. So this is a depends upon the shape. It's divided into several categories and it depends upon the size. Depends upon the size. Also identify the bacteria. What is the size of the bacteria? So the unit is a measurement of the measurement in microbiology in microns. In micron. So the bacteria measurement by unit is the micron. 1 micron means mu. Micron is the indicates symbol is a mu. So 1 micron is equal to thousands of the 1 millimeter. Thousands of a millimeter. So 1/1000. 1/1000. So thousands of millimeter. And the next one, here is also denoted in the micrometer. Also, it's denoted as a micrometer. It's denoted as a micrometer. It's denoted as a micrometer. So it's the first unit is a micron. So 1 micron is equal to 1/1000 and 1/1000. And the next one it is denoted as a micrometer also. The next one, 1000 of the micron is 1 millimicron. 1 millimicron. So 1000 1000 of a micron, 1000 of a micron is a 1 millimicron is equal to 1 millimicron is equal to 1 millimicron or nanometer. It is denoted as a 1 nanometer, 1 millimicron also. And the next one, 1/10 of nanometer is equal to 1/10. 1/10 of nanometer is equal to 1/10 of nanometer is equal to 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom. So in here, what is the size? It is denoted in a micron is a unit. 1 micron is equal to 1/1000. It is denoted as a micrometer. The next one, 1000 of micrometer. 1000 of micrometer is equal to 1000 of micrometer is equal to 1 million millimicrons. 1 millimicrons. 1 millimicrons. 10 millimicrons is equal to 1 millimicrons. 1 millimicron. And the next one, 1/10 of nanometer. It is also called as a denoted as a 1 millimicron is equal to nanometer. 1/10 of nanometer or 1/10 of millimeter is equal to 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom. So the bacteria is denoted in the microns, millimicrons, nanometers, and angstroms also. Depends upon the size. Depends upon the size.